Our agricultural radial tyres will now have an unlimited time warranty to try our products, knowing that we will back them up. I'm Mark Turner, I'm the European Sales Director for ZC Rubber. TIANLI brand has existed for over 40 years, has a very, very good history across the off-highway tyre sector. One of the key things that we've done over the last couple of years is really look at our warranty returns. And what that's led to is an announcement that we're making this week that our agricultural radial tyres will now have an unlimited time warranty. So if there is a manufacturing defect or a raw materials issue with any of our tyres, doesn't matter how old they are, as long as there is tread left on the tyre, we will honour that warranty for you. So hopefully that puts trust into the mind of our end users, and it also strengthens our partnerships because it gives a unique selling point. No other company in the tyre industry is offering that at the moment.